Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. I am the founder of Nisha Tutor. Here we are learning complex numbers and today we will do dividing complex numbers. To simplify the quotient a plus bi upon c plus di, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the complex conjugate of the denominator. So here denominator is c plus di. It means its conjugate, just change the middle sign. Okay. So its conjugate is c minus di, and we multiply here numerator and denominator, and just then simply multiply numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay. Complex conjugates we take like this. For example, this is complex number 3 plus 2i, so its conjugate is 3 minus 2i. If 1 minus i, so we take 1 plus i. If 4i, so we take minus 4i. And 5, so we can just write 5, because just imaginary part sign change. Okay, here imaginary part 2i, here minus 2i, change the sign. Here change the sign, this is positive and this is positive, so now this is negative. Okay. Here is today's question. Dividing complex numbers, express the following in the form a plus bi. Here first question, 3 plus 5i divided by 1 minus 2i. We write again here 3 plus 5i divided by 1 minus 2i and multiply by here. Its conjugate is 1 plus 2i. Okay, 1 plus 2i. So simply multiply in numerator and denominator 1 plus 2i, its conjugate of the denominator. Now multiply here numerator and denominator. So here we know how to multiply two complex numbers in my last video. Here multiply, we can imagine this is a plus bi and c plus di. So a multiply with this c, real part, so 3 times 1 is 3, minus, now imaginary part, 5 times 2 10, here negative actually, according to the formula, and here I square, that's why here negative sign, plus, now a multiply with d, so 3 times 2 6, plus 5 times 1 5, and I. Here we can do, because this is just like a minus b and a plus b, so we can write a square minus b square, 1 square minus 2i square. Okay, so this is minus 7 plus 11i, this is 1. Here 2i square, it means 2 square 4, and I square minus 1, minus minus, this is plus, and 4. Minus 7 plus 11i divided by 5. And here says answer gives in a plus bi, so we can write here minus 7 divided by 5 plus 11 upon 5 I. Okay, 5 divide here and here also. So a value minus 7 upon 5 plus b value 11 upon 5. Now we do b question. So here 7 plus 3i divided by 4i, and do you know what is the conjugate of 4i? Imaginary number, just change. So if like this, just change the sign. Okay, so here 4i, so we can multiply with negative 4i. Okay, now simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay, minus 4i times 7 minus 28i, and minus 4i multiply with 3i minus 12i square. 4i times minus 4i, so 4 multiply with minus 4 minus 16, and I multiply with I square. Now we can put I square value minus 1 minus 28i minus I square value is minus 1 minus minus, this is plus 12, and here I square value minus 1, so minus minus plus, and this is just 16. Here 28 divided by 16 I plus 12 upon 16. We can simplify. Here we can divide by 4 minus 7, because 4 times 7, 4 times 4 I, and this is also divisible by 4, so 4 times 3, 4 times 4. So our final answer we can write a plus bi form. So a value 3 upon 4 real part, and imaginary part is this. Okay, and this is the answer. So divide complex numbers are really easy. You have to know about conjugate of the denominator, this complex number. Okay, and just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Very simple question, but if you have any queries, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a